Morning, guys. Hi. No, don't poke it. So I marinated some pork. I'm gonna braise it. Full self-explanatory. Yeah.
Wow, you scooting? Come here. I have to do this. Shorts.
AMG. It looks amazing. Like down to quite a lot here. Do you approve? The gorgeous. Honestly, I don't mind cooking my rice the old school way. I was used to having a rice cooker. Nothing wrong with that. This is my plate, nothing too fancy. Hey, buddy. It's a boy. Goodness.
There's his mother. That's a
Yeah.
yearling.
5 guys. You guys are good.
My eyes are really spicy. I'm making chili today. I'm cooking for Jake's crew. Just a bowl of chili, you know, it's cold outside, it's snowing. This is good. I like my chili like hearty and meaty and whatnot, so I put a lot of meat in here. There's moose, there's beef, there's pork. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. And my red pot, obviously, it's going as well. My chili is definitely different from everybody else's chili. I mean, you wouldn't hear anyone putting ketchup, but dude, there's something about ketchup. Like when you put it in the chili, it's like nice and sweet. So I put that in. Also barbecue sauce. Okay, we got these for the boys, and then we got chili cheese. This is Jeremy's on. It'll be done in an hour.
Or you can buy 10 houses for $125,000. 2.5 baths. With 4 heat, 1 bath, full kitchen, 900 square feet, sleep 12. You gotta be careful.
I'm making Jacob's birthday dinner. So good. Kind of waiting on the steak. I'm gonna put the green beans in the water.
See that crazy ass diamond right there?
Wow. Uh-oh. Oh no. A little wax. Never heard of nobody, right? Yay.
I feel like you should be.
Jake. The birthday boy.
Wow. Thank you. Look at Daddy's cake. Look at Daddy on his cake. Look at.
Well, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Jeremy, look. You want to try it? Oh. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Jeremy, you've been chewing.
And I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Peace. Hey.